Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a review of some Christmas plates from Beauty Big Bang. After my last Halloween review, Beauty Big Bang reached out to me again and asked me if I would be interested in reviewing their new Christmas stamping plate. And as you know, I love Beauty Big Bang stamping plate, so I said absolutely yes. It is hard for me to imagine though that we are getting so close to Christmas. I mean, this year went by crazy. I don't even know how we ended up in being, it's probably middle of November when you are watching my review, because their shipping may take a little longer. They asked me to post the review video around this time when you are watching it. So thank you so much Beauty Big Bang for sending these to me. Of course, you can always use my discount code Judita for 10% off on their website. I am really looking forward to see what designs are on these plates. I'm looking forward to show you some close-ups to these plates, and also I will swatch them for you. That way you see how the designs and images pick up. So thank you so much Beauty Big Bang again for sending these to me. If you guys do enjoy review videos on stamping plates, then please also give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it a lot. And if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos, then definitely hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will also leave for you all the information in the description box in case if you are interested in purchasing these stamping plates. And as soon as I have more information from Beauty Big Bang on their sales and other things that might be important and useful for you, I will be adding them to the description box. So let's jump into the swatches, and then I will come back and quickly give you my thoughts on these plates and how they worked. Alright guys, I am loving these stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. The designs are cute, stunning, everything picked up without any problems. I would highly recommend you to put your hands on these. So thank you so much Beauty Big Bang for sending these plates, and I will be definitely using them in some Christmas winter manicures in the near future, so definitely stay tuned, and I will have also linked everything in the description box in case if you are interested in getting these. Thank you so much guys for being here today and watching my video. I do hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because these designs are just so cute. I am loving them. So I really appreciate you being here, and that's it for today. So I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.